Hello everyone. My name is Purna Hitacharachi. I am one of the guardian. My board has been promoted this year only in class 1. His name is Avitra Das. He is in section A. We are being asked to tell few words or give a few feedbacks regarding this new process of learning that we are going through right now, thrice a week, to the Zoom, the online courses which our kids are going through. So, in one word, I will say it's really awesome, it's really effective, and it's really the initiative which school authority has taken. I'm really thankful to the school authority and the school teachers also who are giving such precious time to each and every kids, taking care of the kids like the thing. As because of this COVID-19 and coronavirus thing, situation has really become worse and we don't know what is going to happen next, and when we are going to again everything will get into a regular situation. But still, at least through this process, the students are being able to be in a track. Otherwise it's very difficult for the little kids to take them back in a track after such a long gap without any sort of thing. So, as I can share one thing, I was unable to collect books from school due to some of my personal reason. One of my relative was expired at that time, so I need to go out of station, and I was unable to collect the thing. After that, all this situation started. So, as this system has started, it really helped me a lot, because after I refer this situation to my class teacher, Shonali ma'am, she is really very humble and helpful, and she has started sharing each and every screenshots of the pages of the book, exercises, classworks, and everything, and it's really helped me a lot to make my kid learn about the thing, about the chapter. Otherwise I don't know, I was really in a mess that whenever the school will open, after that he will get the book, after that everything will start it. So everything was just maybe out of track. um, and one more thing I would like to add, that through this process, not only student, I think being a parent also, we are getting scope to interact with the teacher directly. Whatever the problem we are facing, whatever our kids are facing, problems that our kids are facing, we can interact those things, we can embellish those things to our class teachers directly, which is not possible every time, whenever, even when the schools are in a regular basis, regularity. It's not possible for us to visit each and every time and meet class teachers and interact with them. But through this process, firstly, we are being able to interact with the teacher directly. So that is also helping us a lot to break that barrier in between. And secondly, we are also able to know uh, other students of the class, the parents, and at least we can interact with them also, because it's not always possible during the PTM also. It's not always possible to interact with each and every parents, and to interact with the thing. But through this process we can see everyone, we can at least have a conversation with each and everyone. We have planned to make a group also, WhatsApp groups, where we can share the you know study materials and all. At least that will help a lot, that will help each and everyone a lot. So overall, I'm really very much thankful to the school authority for giving such and taking such an initiative and making the children learn through this process. And hopefully everything will go right after 10th of June or 8th of June, whenever the school will reopen. At least they will be on a track. So thank you, Shonali ma'am, for giving us such a precious time and making our children learn in such a humble and sweet manner. And you are really very caring, and you are really very helpful towards parents also. So really, it's a very good initiative. It's very good. It's really a great initiative Mount Literacy School Authority has taken. So I'm thankful to both uh, class teacher, respected class teacher, and school authority as well. Keep it up. Thank you.